Hi everyone, welcome to Cherry Blossom Channels, my berbahasa Inggris bagi pemula, bagian 4. Bagi yang suka dengan konten saya, tolong subscribe dan like ya. Thank you. Okay, let's get started with the first sentence. It's a pleasure to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. Senang bertemu dengan Anda. Thanks for coming. Thanks for coming. Terima kasih telah datang. Welcome. Welcome. Selamat datang. Please have a seat. Please have a seat. Silakan duduk. Do you know who Keanu is? Do you know who Keanu is? Apakah kamu tahu siapa Keanu itu? No, who is he? No, who is he? Enggak, siapa dia? Keanu is the owner of Delicia Restaurant. Keanu is the owner of Delicia Restaurant. Keanu adalah pemilik restoran Delicia. Hold on tight. Hold on tight. Berpeganglah erat-erat. Calm down. Calm down. Tenanglah. I don't want to go to the zoo today because it is raining. I don't want to go to the zoo today because it is raining. Saya tidak ingin pergi ke kebun binatang hari ini karena hujan. I've got a problem. I've got a problem. Saya mempunyai masalah. I have finished my work. I have finished my work. Saya telah menyelesaikan pekerjaan saya. I've never seen that movie. I've never seen that movie. Saya belum pernah melihat film itu. I've never forgot your name. I never forgot your name. Saya tidak pernah lupa namamu. We were sorry to hear the bad news. We were sorry to hear the bad news. Kami menyesal mendengar berita buruk itu. Neither Kate nor I have washed the dishes today. Neither Kate nor I have washed the dishes today. Baik Kate maupun saya belum mencuci piring hari ini. Just kidding. Just kidding. Hanya bercanda. Never mind. Never mind. Tak apalah. I'm getting hungry. I'm getting hungry. Saya mulai lapar. Let's eat soon. Let's eat soon. Ayo makan segera. You shouldn't eat so much. You shouldn't eat so much. Kamu seharusnya tidak makan terlalu banyak. You'll get fat. You'll get fat. Kamu akan menjadi gemuk. I'm sorry, I'm late. I'm sorry, I'm late. Maaf, saya terlambat. I'm held up by the rush hour traffic. I'm held up by the rush hour traffic. Saya terjebak oleh lalu lintas jam sibuk. I'm not sure where he's from. I'm not sure where he's from. Saya tidak yakin dari mana dia asalnya. He's either British or American. He's either British or American. Dia orang Inggris atau Amerika. What a beautiful day it is. What a beautiful day it is. Hari yang indah sekali. We shouldn't stay inside all day. We shouldn't stay inside all day. Kita sebaiknya tidak berada di dalam sepanjang hari. Neither of the football teams has arrived yet. Neither of the football teams has arrived yet. Tidak ada satupun tim sepak bola yang sudah datang. I don't want either juice or smoothies. I don't want either juice or smoothies. Saya tidak ingin jus atau smoothie. What time is it? What time is it? Jam berapa? It's 11:15. It's 11:15. Pukul 11 lewat 15 menit. What time is it? What time is it? Jam berapa? It's 20 past 7. It's 20 past 7. Pukul 7 lewat 20 menit. What time is it? What time is it? Jam berapa? It's 10 to 4. It's 10 to 4. Pukul 3 lewat 50 menit. The test starts at 10 o'clock sharp. The test starts at 10 o'clock sharp. Ujian dimulai tepat pukul 10. You must arrive 15 minutes before the test begin. You must arrive 15 minutes before the test begin. Kamu harus tiba 15 menit sebelum ujian dimulai. Both my mother and my sister are here. Both my mother and my sister are here. Ibu dan saudara perempuan saya, keduanya ada di sini. He told a really funny joke. He told a really funny joke. Dia menceritakan lelucon yang sangat lucu. We couldn't stop laughing. We couldn't stop laughing. Kami tidak bisa berhenti tertawa. Chelsea, can you remind me to go to the meeting at 8:25? Chelsea, can you remind me to go to the meeting at 8:25? Chelsea, dapatkah kamu mengingatkan saya untuk pergi ke pertemuan pukul 8.25? Nobody called on the phone, did they? Nobody called on the phone, did they? Tidak ada yang meneleponkan. I didn't answer the phone because I didn't hear it ring. I didn't answer the phone because I didn't hear it ring. Saya tidak menjawab telepon karena saya tidak mendengarnya. The Beatles is a group of legendary music bands from England. The Beatles is a group of legendary music bands from England. The Beatles adalah kelompok band musik legendaris yang berasal dari Inggris. Cristiano Ronaldo is one of the best and famous soccer players in the world. Cristiano Ronaldo is one of the best and famous soccer players in the world. Cristiano Ronaldo adalah salah satu pemain sepak bola terbaik dan terkenal di dunia. Lee Kuan Yew is Singapore's first Prime Minister. Lee Kuan Yew is Singapore's first Prime Minister. Lee Kuan Yew adalah Perdana Menteri pertama Singapura. Susi Susanti is one of the badminton legend women in Indonesia. Susi Susanti is one of the badminton legend women in Indonesia. Susi Susanti adalah salah satu legenda bulu tangkis wanita di Indonesia. August 17th is Indonesian's Independence Day. August 17th is Indonesian's Independence Day. Tanggal 17 Agustus adalah hari kemerdekaan Republik Indonesia. Tom Cruise is a handsome Hollywood actor. Tom Cruise is a handsome Hollywood actor. Tom Cruise adalah aktor tampan Hollywood. He is included in Hollywood's highest paid actors. He is included in Hollywood's highest paid actors. Dia masuk dalam jajaran aktor papan atas Hollywood dengan bayaran termahal. Blackpink is a hit female singer from South Korea. Blackpink is a hit female singer from South Korea. Blackpink adalah grup penyanyi perempuan yang sedang hit asal Korea Selatan. Ben has been talking on the phone for over a half an hour. Ben has been talking on the phone for over a half an hour. Ben telah berbicara di telepon selama lebih dari setengah jam. I fell asleep quickly and soon started dreaming. I fell asleep quickly and soon started dreaming. Saya tertidur dengan cepat dan segera mulai bermimpi. Thanks for watching. See you on my next content. Bye-bye.